Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to bold text in messages on WhatsApp on PC. Why would you want to know how to bold text in messages on WhatsApp on PC? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to bold text in messages on WhatsApp on PC. So today I am going to show you how to bold text in messages on WhatsApp on PC. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Bolding text in messages on WhatsApp on PC is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will bold text in messages on WhatsApp on PC. First of all, open WhatsApp app in your PC. You can easily download it from Microsoft Store. Now here is my WhatsApp home screen, and then open any chat. Now enter your message and then select it all. And now right click on your mouse and then click on bold letter B, and your text has been bolded. So there you go. If you were wondering how to bold text in messages on PC, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.